This is the Numatic carpet cleaner. Having more than 2100 watts of suction means your carpets and upholstery are cleaned deeper, quicker, more dirt is removed and left drier than other machines. It comes with a 4 metre suction hose, a stainless steel extraction tube, a 10 metre power cable, and with every hire we supply you with a free litre of shampoo. You should always vacuum your carpets before starting to use a carpet cleaner. So to get started, undo the 2 black clips on the side of the blue drum. Take off the black motor cover and take out the black filter cover. You can now remove the solution tank. Fill the solution tank from a hot tap. Do not use boiling water as you will damage your carpets and you will damage the machine. With every hire, we supply you with a free litre of solution. This specially formulated carpet extraction cleaner is suitable for woven and non-woven carpets and is approved for use on wool and wool-rich carpets. Only use the shampoo supplied by us. It is a low foam detergent specified for use with this carpet soil extractor. Although the clean solution tank will hold 10 litres of water, we advise you to only half fill it. This will allow you to replenish the water more frequently and keep the solution warm. Add 100 ml of shampoo to 5 litres of warm water. So that's 100 ml to a half tank of warm water. Place the clean water tank back into the machine and cover it with a black filter cover. Stick the detergent hose down into the water tank and replace the motor. Do up the black clips on the side of the blue drum. The hose comes in 2 parts. Screw the main part into the blue drum. To connect the detergent hose, it helps to stand behind the machine with its weight against your knees. Pull back on the black clip and push the detergent hose in. Release the black clip forward to lock the detergent hose in place. Jiggle it about to ensure it is locked. The other end of the suction hose will slip over the metal tube and the detergent hose will attach in the same way as it did to the motor. There are 2 switches on the top of the carpet cleaner, one for the extraction spray and one for the suction vacuum. Switch both of them on at the same time. Now, starting in the corner of the room, furthest away from the door, squeeze the trigger on the metal tube to release the clean water and detergent, and slowly, in a backwards motion, pull the carpet head backwards. It does no harm to use a slight backward forward motion to gently go against the pile, open it up and help the clean water get in deep into the dirt. The combination of warm water and detergent solution will break up and dissolve the dirt, and the suction will instantaneously suck it back up. The metal tube and carpet head are constructed of the highest quality, so don't be afraid to dig in deep to remove as much water as possible. If you have a particularly bad area or a bad stain, you can spray the detergent directly onto it, let it settle in for 5 minutes before vacuuming it up. Try not to let the water tank run dry. As soon as you hear a gurgling noise, stop and refill. If you carry on using the carpet cleaner with no clean water in it, you'll get an airlock. The carpet soil extractor can also be used for cleaning furniture, sofas and car seats. When hiring it from us, specify that you need a small attachment. It connects to the suction hose in the same way and is ideal for doing small, difficult to reach areas and stairs. Troubleshooting. If you find that there is no water being extracted and perhaps you start to hear a distinct different noise coming from the motor, stop immediately, you might have an airlock. First, refill the clean water tank, disconnect the suction hose and the detergent hose from the motor. Switch on the spray button, pull back on the black clip and half insert the detergent hose. It should be loose in the connection, allowing some freedom for the air to escape. Do this for 30 seconds and this should resolve the problem of the airlock. If you are unsure of what you're doing, give us a call.